You have to pair your Bluetooth device with your Pixel 7 first before you can channel the audio through it. Once both devices are paired, they will automatically connect and reconnect when they're within range, provided that the Bluetooth service on the phone is enabled. In this video, we will show you how to pair or connect a Bluetooth device to your Pixel 7. But before anything else, make sure to like and share our videos so that we can help other users as well. Now going back to our topic, here's what you should do. Hold down the notification panel. Tap and hold the Bluetooth icon. Turn on your Bluetooth device and put it into pairing mode. In most cases, you'll see the LED indicator flashing blue as a sign that it's in pairing mode. On your phone, tap Pair New Device. Once your phone detects your Bluetooth device, tap on it. In most cases, you will be prompted to confirm you want to pair with the device. Tap Pair to confirm. After doing that, your phone and your Bluetooth device will connect. You can see that on your phone under the Media Devices section. To set the permission of the Bluetooth device, tap the gear icon next to it. If you want to change the name, tap the pen icon at the top right corner. You can then enter the name you want to use for that specific device. You may enable or disable the switches next to phone calls, media audio, and contact sharing. It all depends on what you want to use the Bluetooth device for. To disconnect the devices, tap Disconnect. It will disconnect them, but when they're within range from each other, they will reconnect the next time you turn the device back on and the Bluetooth service on your phone. To delete the connection, tap Forget. Doing so will unpair both devices, and in order for you to channel the audio through the device, you will have to pair them again, and that's how you pair or connect a Bluetooth device with a Google Pixel 7. We hope that this guide can help you. You may subscribe to our channel or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.